What is up, you guys? It's your favorite cutie Mel back again on my channel to give you guys yet another video. And I'm fresh out the shower. I did want to come to give you guys my 6-month lock update. First, I want to talk about things that I've changed. I have changed my locking product from using like one of the lock gels to using aloe vera gel. Why? Because I was experiencing some irritation from the product itself, and it just wasn't worth it to me. Like, I like the hold, but at the end of the day, my hair, it pretty much holds anyway, no matter what I use, because once it dries in that, you guys know how afro hair is. Like, once it's pretty much locked into a position, it's pretty much going to stay that way, especially if you leave it at least for like a week or two. So I was fine with that. I got my hair wet in the ocean like a week ago, and that was cool. I like just being able to just do whatever with my hair. Like, I like not having to worry too much about like if it starts to raining or anything. I don't really do much to my hair. I don't do any tight hairstyles for the most part. Like, I haven't went to a loctician yet. If I go to a loctician, I might try like a lock style. I feel like it'd be cute, or to try one, but I'm not really pressed. I thought that I would be really pressed to try to learn how to do all these different like lock styles once my hair got to a certain point. But so far, I haven't really had much of a desire or urge to keep my hair in any lock styles. I pretty much like being able to just alternate between the ones that I can. And I know once my hair gets longer and I could put my hair like in one ponytail or do like one big bun, I think that that's enough for me. And I have a lot of versatility. Just changing like a swoop and no swoop, bangs and no bangs is like enough. Like, and I like that I'm able to do my hair in like 2 minutes or less, and then just focus on like my outfit or whatever. Another thing with my mindset that has changed is I no longer really feel the need to retwist my hair for special occasions. It's just like, if my hair is retwisted, then cool, but if it's not, I really don't care, because I feel like it's still cute regardless. Well, I don't really mist my hair every day anymore. It's more just like when I feel that my hair is really dry, or I can just tell that my hair is like kind of bent in a position, maybe because I wore like some ponytails 2 days in a row, then I'll give it a spritz. Or like when I get in the shower, I'll just let the water run through my hair and on my scalp. It feels really good, really refreshing. So yeah, I do that a lot. What else? I am going to start implementing some aloe vera juice into my routine. I want to get another spray bottle that's not have any like oils or anything in it, that I can just put like aloe vera juice and water, so I can spray my scalp if I feel like it's getting irritated or inflamed. That should help, because I noticed that once I needed to switch over to aloe vera gel for my retwist, when I would put aloe vera gel on my scalp and stuff like that, it really did help to soothe and just like get my scalp back to a good pH. And I'm really just working on not putting too much on my scalp. I like when it just can do its own thing and produce its own oils, and I really just want to get it back to its natural just microbiome. But overall, I have noticed a reduction of irritation ever since I stopped using that product, that retwist product. And it's different for everybody. I use the retwist product for my son. He also has locks, and it works good for his hair because he has a looser hair texture than I do in some areas in his hair, so he needs the hold, or else his retwist is just gonna completely like fall apart. So it works for him, doesn't irritate him, so I just use that for him. And then for me, I just use the aloe vera gel now. You see, I still use rose water. I just don't use it as much because it's expensive, and for some reason I just haven't cared enough to actually make my own. I should, and I know one day I will, and I'll just make a huge batch, and then I'll just freeze it so that when I need some more, I'll have more on deck. But I do like when I use the rose water, because it does it's like softens your hair and keeps it very moisturized. I like that. What else? Oh, let me just give you guys the up close. Hold on, it's a little wet, so I'm just going. This is your up close texture. Let me show y'all the back. It's not dry, so that's why it's not like coming down all nice and pretty. I need to pop my locks because I'm sure I have some marrying going on. I don't know, overall I really just like the easy lifestyle. I think that's the best thing about the hair, because like I get up and go sometimes and I don't think about my hair at all. Like I don't care. Like if it's just down, I'm fine with it. And I don't know, I just feel extremely beautiful. I feel like me, I feel like myself, and I feel like more beautiful because when people compliment me now and they tell me, oh, you're so beautiful, I take it in even more, because now it really feels like it's me. Like it's not because I'm wearing a wig, it's not because I have braids that are down my back. They just look at me and see my natural God-given beauty, and they compliment me. And you know what, I feel like I get complimented even more now that I have locks than before. I really do. I get compliments all the time. I really think that locks suit me. I think that they're beautiful. I think that they just make me feel beautiful in my own skin. It's just like I want people to accept me for all of me, you know, not just the societal performance that a lot of us feel we need to put on via our hair to be accepted. Like I don't care about that. I only want to be accepted by people who accept me for me and what I look like. And that's even in love too. Like at first I didn't have too much concerns, because I always do what I want with my hair, and I always know that if I don't like something that I can change it. But at first I think I did have a little bit of reservations, feeling like, you know, well, what will dating be like, or will guys still find me attractive if my hair is like this? And one, they do, but two, I find that I don't really care anymore about that, because I want in dating as well someone who loves how I look when I wake up and I'm just like this. No makeup, hair everywhere, frizzy locks, because this is what I really look like. No makeup. I woke up like this. Shout out to Beyonce. I went to the Beyonce concert 2 days ago and I loved it. Let me see, what else do I have to say about my locks? I think it's one of the best decisions that I made, and I kind of wish I don't wish that I started sooner. I would start sooner if I could go back, but I'm happy with like this point in my life. I feel very secure, I feel very confident, and I think I'm confident enough to go on this kind of journey. I think that I had a lot to undo before even getting to this point to where I would even consider having locks. Just like societal wise, and just all of the beliefs and anti-blackness that a lot of us are raised in, not even just from the world but from our own families. And there was a lot of that I had to undo for myself, and I find that like every single day I just love blackness more and more. I love my blackness. I love what my hair looks like. I like that my hair is unique, because even though a lot of people have locks, nobody will ever have your specific set of locks. Nobody's hair will ever look exactly like yours. Nobody's texture and width and things are going to be exactly like yours. Like my locks are mine and I love them, and I love how I'm learning my locks. I like know which locks are going to be super long coming out of my top ponytail. I know what locks are super kind of skinny in comparison to some of my other locks. Like I just like the relationship that I have with my hair. And if you are considering getting locks, I would say definitely 1000% get your locks. Try them out. At worst case scenario, you could comb them out. There's a girl that I used to watch on YouTube who had locks for 3 years, and she just combed her hair out, and her hair is super duper long now. So it's just like, it's, even though people try to make it seem permanent, it's not permanent. You know, when you really think about it, you're just twisting your hair over and over again. So it's like, it gets frizzy, but you could comb them out if you want to. I don't really see myself doing that because I just love the ease. I do not miss having to have slick hair and trying to slick it down and trying to tame it. It's just a lot. It's a lot for somebody like me. So I've done that long enough. I don't really care to have to pay so much money to get my hair done. I like that I can self-maintain my hair. If I want to get it done, I can, but it's a choice. I don't feel like I have to go to somebody else. I think about it sometimes because I'm just like, I hardly be wanting to retwist it now. Even whenever the time comes, I hardly be wanting to retwist it now. But I do if I don't want to spend the money, and it doesn't take me too long. It usually takes me, I would say 2 hours, 2 hours and 30 minutes max. But that's only because sometimes I really have to take my time with the detangling, stuff like that. But I think I'm getting faster each and every time. And it's just like, if I wanted to break it up and do it half one day and do the back and then wake up and do the next half the next day, I could. I just like to get it all out the way at the same time so I could go to bed and go another 2 months without thinking about it. But yeah, that is my update for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you guys want me to keep coming back and showing you my journey. I can't believe it's already been 6 months. The time really does fly, because it's like, it flies when you don't have to think about it. And that's the best part about Locs. You don't have to think about your hair as much. Like, yes, you still have to take care of it. It's not something where it's like you don't have to take care of it at all. Like, you should still take care of your hair no matter what kind of locks you have. Even if you have like freeform, you know, just making sure that it's moisturized and making sure that your hair is in good condition, and making sure that you're not there's no tension going on in your hair and popping your locks. I think that popping your locks are essential, not just for like maintenance purposes. I think it's also important for just general health purposes of your hair as well, because sometimes I see people's locks who go freeform and their hair might mat in a way that gives it tension, and then before you know it, they be having bald spots and stuff like that. So locks are not a solution to just not take care of your hair at all. That's not the point. But it is something that involves less maintenance if you are someone who doesn't value having to detangle your hair all the time, or having to pay a hefty amount of money to get your hair done frequently. Then Locs might be an option for you, especially if you love braids and stuff like I did. I used to love putting my hair in braids because I was like, yes, I don't have to do anything for 2 months. I could keep it up. Sometimes I would stretch it out for 3. I would stretch it out as long as I could, and that's just because I value being able to get up and go. That get up and go life. And now I took it to the next level, and to me this is even better. I don't really spend any money on hair products. I mean, I guess if I really wanted to, I could, but it doesn't really require me to do that. I mostly just, if I want to get something, I'll get it in bulk. Like when I buy my aloe vera juice, I'm going to get it in bulk, and yeah, and use it until it's gone. Probably last me a couple months, because it just, Locs do not require your everyday attention, and they actually thrive more when you actually do leave them alone and let your hair just be. That's the best part about it. When you just let your hair be and let it do what it does naturally, before you know it, you'll look up and your hair will be mature, and you'll be out here like the lock goddess that you are. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it took me all of 1 minute to do my hair. This is my hairstyle for today. I'm gonna throw on some hoops. I'm about to put on some sunscreen. Don't forget to watch my skincare video. Make sure you're getting your sunscreen on daily. Happy Memorial Day. Even, oh, I think it's Labor Day. Happy Labor Day, even though you guys are probably gonna get this video like late September or October. By then my hair will be 7 months, so we're just backed up with content, but that's a good thing. Just trying to stay consistent with you guys. If there's anything specific that you guys want me to try with my locks, or if you guys want more lock content, definitely let me know by telling me what you would like in the comments down below. Also, another way I know that you guys like a certain kind of video is if you hit the thumbs up. It's an energy donation. Really helps the channel. Even if you guys don't think so, it does. It helps it to be distributed to new people. that sunscreen. Yeah. So I'm gonna have a great day. Make sure to check out my videos about ADF. I've recently lost some weight on it. I don't know how much. I haven't got on the scale yet, but I know for sure because this skirt used to be super hard to put on. It was easy today. Super cute. All right, y'all. I'm about to go because at this point I'm just rambling. But have an amazing day. Have a beautiful day. Affirmation is I am beautiful exactly how I am. I am perfect just like this. And I am attractive as I am. I have natural beauty. I am a natural beauty. Okay? All right, you guys. That's it. 6 months